we will discuss how we can introduce phase in a 3-qubit system. Okay. So suppose we are given a 3-qubit system, and initially suppose we have some psi 1 2 3, and psi 1 2 3 can take an arbitrary state like some a 0 0 0 or a1 plus a2 0 0 1 a3 0 1 0 a4 0 1 a5 1 0 0 a6 1 0 1 a7 1 1 0 a8 1 1, right? So now let us see how we can introduce phase in each of the single terms. Okay? Like here we have 8 terms, and we can only introduce phase in 7 places, because in this place, in the 0 0 0 place, we can't introduce any phase. The reason is the phase gate acting upon 0 state gives only a 0 state. It doesn't introduce any phase, and phase gate acting upon only one state introduces a phase. Like we saw in the previous lecture, a phase gate acting upon 1 gives a phase with 1, and upon 0 it gives only 0 state. Okay. So when all the qubits are in 0 state, we can't have any introduction of phase in this place. So besides that, in other 7 places we can introduce phases. Suppose in this case 0 0 0 1. So in this case only, in the case of 0 0 1, how we can introduce a phase? Okay. Here you can see that in the third qubit we have 1, right? In the third qubit we have 1. So there we can apply phase gate which can introduce a phase here. But the problem is here, and here, and here, because in all the 3 cases we have 1 on the third qubit. So when we implement a phase gate on the third qubit, the phases will not only come here, but it will come here, here, and here. So we need to avoid those circumstances. So for that, we need to apply a conditional or a control phase gate. So whose qubit we can take as control? Like suppose if we take the second qubit as the control. Here the second qubit is in 0 state. So in these 2 cases, in the other cases, here also we have the second qubit as 0. So we can take that as the control. So then we can take the first qubit as the control, because the first qubit is in state 0, and here also the first qubit is also in 0. That also we can take as the control. That means we will take the both states, the first and second qubit, as the control, such that we have 0 0 here, and there is no place where you can have 0 0 on the first qubits. So this is the only place where we can have 0 0 on the first qubit. That means for introducing phase only in the place of here, we would apply condition on both the 2 qubits, anti-control, then phase gate applying on the third qubit. When the first qubit and second qubit is in state 0, then only the phase gate will operate on the third qubit, so that phase only will come in this place, in the A2 place, and nowhere else. Now let's move on to the third term, okay, which is 0 1 0. Here also you can see that we will apply the phase gate. Remember where in the position where there is 1, there only we will apply the phase gate. Otherwise you can have the introduction of phase. So here in the second place we have the 1, right? In the second place we have the 1. Now we see in which other cases we have the second place we have 1. Here also we have in second place we have 1. Here also we have 1, and here also we have 1. So besides this place, we have other places where there is 1 on the second place. So that's here we can apply only the phase gate on the second qubit. We would have the problem, like the same phase will come here, on other places. But we need to have only the phase gate only here. Only the phase we have the introduction phase only here. So now let's take the third qubit as a control. because here the third qubit is 0. In the other cases the third qubit 0, we can have the situation? Yes. So here also third qubit has to 0. So we can take only 0 as the third qubit 0 as the control. Now let's see the first position. In the first position of 0, here also we have the first position of 0, right? That means we can take only the third place or the first place as the condition. That means we take both the first place and the third place as the condition. So when the first bit and the third qubit is 0, which is nowhere in other cases, like here we have 0 1, we have 1 0 1 1. So we can take the first qubit and the third qubit as the control, and I can apply the phase gate on the second qubit. So first qubit and the third qubit as the control, anti-control operation, and the phase gate on the second qubit. Right? So applying this operation, we can have the introduction of phase of phi 3 only in this case here, not anywhere else. Right? Now let's go to the fourth place. So here we have 1 1. We have 1 1 in the last cases. There are there other positions where we have 1 1 on the last position? Yes. Here we have 1 1. That means we will take the help of another qubit as the control. Like first qubit, we need to have the, we will take the help of the first qubit because it's 0 here, and there is no position where the first qubit is 0 and other is 1. Okay, there is no position. So we will take the 0 as the control and the second 1 as the control phase gate. So we can have the first qubit as the control. So this will anti-control. When this will 0, then it will be operated. When this is 0, and we can take any of the two qubit as the control phase from here to here, or maybe from here to here. So you can have control phase. When this is 0, when this is 1, then only 5 phase gate will be operated here. When this is 0 and when this is 1, are there any places? No places. There are places here, but the third qubit is 0. So phase gate won't come. So the phase won't come here. In this case only phase will come here. So we can have a anti-control control phase, or we can have a anti-control. This one also can take control and phase gate. These are type. Right. Now let's move ahead to the fifth position. So in the fifth position, we have 1 on the first qubit, and then we have 0 0 on the last two qubits. So that is the only case we can take, because in other cases also we have 1 on first qubit and 0 1 1 0 1 in the second qubit. So for introducing phase, only in this case we need to have the phase gate, apply the phase gate here, and then we can have the last two qubits as the control. So we can have anti-control. When the two qubits are inside 0 0, then only phase gate will be operated in the first qubit. So then have the phase only in this case. Similarly, we can do for the other cases.